It's our first penguin. All right, we're on an adventure.
Hoje a aventura com os pinguins.
Today's adventure, penguins. So we're going to Boulder Beach, and we're in Cape Town, South Africa. Got to get this ridiculous thing off until I have to wear it. No mask. All right, so we parked our vehicle. Everything's locked up and the alarm set. So we'll see if our stuff's still there when we get back. Fingers crossed. Ha ha ha. Mais aventura.
Hoje nossa aventura vai ser com os pinguins.
Mais aventura. Penguin. Senta.
Aqui é a entrada dos pinguins.
Nene is making her own video. I got you.
Me filmando, eu tô...
Oh my god, this is our first penguin. Look at this little guy. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. It's our first penguin. Here we are at Boulder Beach. We're surrounded all on the beach behind us with penguins. Here we are, we're getting ready to hike Table Mountain.
Início da trilha Table Mountain, 2 horas.
Two hours to the top. Let's give you a little panoramic here of what's behind us. All right, got the sea back there, and this little pointy mountain over my shoulder now is the Lion's Head. And then hold on, there's where we're going. We can get it. May not even be able to get it because it's in the clouds right now. Yeah, so the cloud that sits on top of this mountain is called the tablecloth, and pretty much if you see a day where there's no cloud on top of this mountain, the locals and everybody know that you're supposed to rush over here and get up the mountain, because it's one of the best views you'll ever get. There's a cable car that goes up and down. We're gonna hike up and come down on the cable car. Pronto, nene? Whee! So we're still making our way to the beginning of our trail. I think it's called the Flat Clip Gorge. I'll get that right and put the name on the video. But you gotta walk from the parking area, you gotta walk about 20 minutes to get to the beginning of the trail. That way when we come down the cable car at the end of the trail, or after the mountain, we will have a short walk to the car, because we'll probably be tired by then. What you can't get from video, especially on a little camera like this, is the size and specter. Sorry about all the passing cars, they're making their way to other trailheads. You just can't get a sense of the size and the magnitude of what you're looking at behind you here. And again, most of it's in the clouds right now, but this place is incredible. We're already seeing up the mountain, we're already seeing a bunch of waterfalls. Probably a dozen waterfalls at least. So we're gonna pass right by a lot of those on the walk up.
Primeiros 10 minutos, caçada.
Caçar, molhar, quente. Starting to get a little drizzle. We're getting our butt kicked on this trail. Part of it's we haven't had the gym in almost 2 weeks. And then we're also trying to go as quick as we can, because the rain's gonna come anytime.
The calm before the storm. Things aren't as they were before. You best start bracing. Did you think you could keep us out? Shut the gates, forget us now. Tides are changing. Can you hear the sound?
We're very hopeful that that light at the top is the end of this trail. 2 straight hours. Audie and I just finished the hike up the gorge to Table Mountain. So we're up on top. We're in a cloud right now, so there's not a whole lot we can show you, except a lot of rocks and scrub bush. But
can you hear the sound? Can you hear the sound?
Depois de 2 horas para subir, 10 minutos para descer.
yeah, 2 hours to hike up, and that was with pain and rain and everything else, and then a 10-minute ride down in the cable car. So it's certainly it's probably a good way to do it, to go up by a trail and
Boa
then
aventura, né?
Grande aventura, bomba aventura.
Muito bom.
Você gostou? Alright, we're signing off for this adventure.
We're not backing down, know what we're doing. Things are about to change, it's evolution. Voices shake the ground, you feel it moving. We're the revolution.
We are about to go on our very first safari. Safari, baby, woo! This is our first animal of the safari, and we're still at the hotel part. Looks like he's eating on himself. Ooh, boy. Nervoso? Pequeno.
Need to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah. Oh, yeah, I've discussed it with myself, and I'm disgusted with the way we're told to have a certain face, a certain weight, because we aren't pixels on a screen. No, we're human, we breathe. Every single thing we see curated, it's overrated. These expectations, they keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head.
I would have been happy to see one rhino. Instead, we're seeing a whole bunch. Oh, and oh, look at the size of that food. Whoa. Tu coração.
Ai, meu Deus.
Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah. Honey, I'm a perfect 10.
elefante, zebra, hipopótamo. O que mais, meu?
Rhinoceros.
Rinoceronte. Coração. Muito feliz. Muito feliz. Ah, vamos nós para mais um dia de safari. Muito frio.
Vamos, Amazônia.
Hoje 8 horas da manhã, safari. Muito frio. Ontem a gente viu elefante, leão, hipopótamo. Hoje não sei qual animal a gente vai ver.